Hello everybody, today we're going to give you some examples of how to learn something. It's not just what you study, it's how you study, and this is an example of how you could study pharmacology. There are various places you could go to look at medications, dosing, what they are, but considering the magnitude and the amount of medication classifications and dosing that you would have to memorize, using a system of just looking at them and studying them in a text format is often not as productive as you would hope. This is a little example of how your brain works best. Your brain works best in a nonlinear format. So this is a picture, has colors. There is a video here that goes over how to do a mind mansion, how to remember things better. And I have the various cardiac medications, endocrine drugs, antibiotics, pain medications, and also showing the interconnection of some of these things. Some of benzodiazepines are also anticonvulsants, but they're used for different purposes. And so if you have a graphical representation of the stuff that you are trying to remember, it's much easier to remember because your brain remembers pictures far better than it remembers words. So another way that you can do this is the Prezi, which is a picture where you put your notes or a presentation into a picture or graphical format. This goes over the various medication classifications. The good thing about this is you can see the interrelationships of things. I have listed here the cardiac medications, and aspirin, as you notice, is in the pain medication section. It's in the cardiac medication for its anticoagulant, and it's shown here in the anticoagulant section. Various other meds also interact. This medication that's listed here is too small to see, but it's a gabapentin, which is an anticonvulsant. It's also a pain medication. NSAIDs, non-steroidal anti-inflammatories, but they are also pain medications. So the interrelationships of things, pictures, colors, this is how your brain works best. This is how I have things set up on my website. And all of the links to these various things are kept in the premium content. I'm going to be glad to give you access to all of the various mind maps, Prezis, and other graphical representation to help you learn better. So use the systems that your brain works best with: pictures, colors, graphs.